Hi, I'm Luke, a personal trainer here at Fit For You with another tip on fitness. Today I'm going to be talking about a pre-fatigue method you can use in your workouts. Now, what is a pre-fatigue? A pre-fatigue is simply doing an isolation movement followed by a compound movement, which asks the next question. What's an isolation movement and what's a compound movement? An isolation movement is going to be a single joint exercise, which means whatever exercise you're doing, there's only one joint movement in the exercise. So if I'm doing a barbell curl and I'm doing it right, just my elbow is moving, which means I'm just isolating one muscle, which is going to be my bicep. A compound movement means there's a multi-joint exercise, or there's more than one joint moving. An example of that is a bunch of exercises. One could be like a shoulder press. When I'm doing a shoulder press, my shoulder and my elbow is moving, which means there's multiple muscles working to make that happen. A squat could be another compound movement. When I'm doing a squat, my hips are moving and my knees are moving, which means there's multiple muscles working there. An isolation movement is going to fatigue the muscle, and then followed up by a compound movement is going to take that muscle beyond with the help of other muscles. Now, why would you want to do this? A pre-fatigue is a great alternative to heavy weights. Now, when you get older, when you get into your 30s and 40s, you'll notice that your connective tissues and your joints are getting stiffer and things just aren't as loose as they used to be when you were in your teens and in your 20s. And to get the same kind of pump in your muscles or a great workout that you got with those heavier weights, you can lighten the weight by doing a pre-fatigue. So if you were working your legs, for example, you would want to sit on a leg extension machine, and that's this machine where you're sitting in a chair and you're straightening out your legs. That's isolating your quads because just your knee is moving. You can do 15 reps of a moderate weight on there and get a good burn in there. Follow that up with a squat or a leg press, which is a compound movement. So when I get off the leg extension, if I go right into a squat, I don't need near the weight that I used to have on there, and perform my squat afterwards, and it's going to give me a great burn in my legs without the heavy weight. And the reason for doing that is it's going to protect your joints and it's going to help you in the long run. It's going to give you longevity in your workouts. And you can get the same results just as fast by lightening up the weight and fatiguing the muscle. So once again, I'm Luke, personal trainer here at Fit For You Health Club. You can go to our website, www.fitforyou.info. You can call us, 922-7285, or you can just stop in and find one of us and ask us, and we'll try to help you out. So with that, you have yourself a good week.